Good. We are live, guys. How you doing? Uh, First of all, sorry for not being live as I was doing it a couple weeks ago. Uh, with the market, it's been hard to do swing trading, so I took a step back and decided to do day trading. So I've been studying day trading. I'm finding it to be better for this kind of market that we are in. So what I did was I set up my Thinkorswim trading account and paper trading account, and I've been practicing doing some paper trading. Okay, so with that being said, I'm gonna start sharing. Today I traded AMD. Okay, this is new. Seems like some stuff has changed. All right, let's see. So presenting, boom. I'm gonna try to get to my Thinkorswim, which is here. Yep. Excuse me. Yes, so this is AMD. And this is my simulated training account. Okay. And I'm gonna try to show my trades. I just want to see how is it doing. Yeah, I bounced from the VWAP. I'm gonna try to let me see if I go to charts. And AMD. Got all those lines I got there, and the 1 minute. And I'm gonna see if I can show my trades. Hold on, getting there in the price. Should I show trades? Here we go. Okay, let's see. Boom, apply. Okay, whoa, look at that. Okay, so these are my trades on AMD today. So okay, well, this is a little too much. So I ended up the day green, which is good. I ended up the day green. But I didn't start it green. I started red. I went short. You can see I'm trading with minimum trace share size, 100 maximum, because this is not gonna be my my cash when I begin day trading. I'm thinking of starting day trading, so selling up. So I'm not gonna have this much this amount of cash. So I'm just doing the shares that I would in the future trade with my funded account, and you can see it's like 100. I might bump it up to 300, but for now I'm just testing the waters. Been doing this for like 2 weeks now. This is the first time I decided to go live. So I mean, with that being said, what I'm using for studies is just the views, my purple lines, and I'm using the 4 moving average and the 9 moving average. This is volume, so I always like to keep volume in it. Okay, so let's go over the day. So I went short 100. Okay, I went short 100. Then I covered them back, and I was green on the day. Then I went up another 100, and this is a little bit confusing to me. Let's see how it goes. All right, there we go. So, all right, let's see. So I sold AMD at 931. Yeah, I saw that it was short. And then, let's see. At 934, I covered some. 935, I added more because I thought it was gonna go up. 936, I added more. And then I had to sell at then I sold them here at 938. Okay. I think I should. All right. I don't think I got all of this right. So next time I'm just going to write down my trade, so it will be better. So I'm just gonna go by what I remember I did. So I remember I selling short here, then I covering, and I was green. Then I noticed. Let me just get this out of here. Charts. Studies right here. I gotta go here. Show trades. Yeah, that will be better. Yeah, close that. All right, that's better. So I'm just gonna go by. So I went short, covered some. I was green, and then I lost some on this candle because I wanted to go long, and I don't know what happened. I just panicked and I lost some money. Then I decided to wait for my next entry. My next entry would have been here, but this big red candle, again, this is the 1 minute chart. I'm trading on the 1 minute chart. This red candle here gave me the indication that it was going to be rejected at the VWAP. So I went short again, and I went short, and I covered here, and I covered. Then I didn't get this move. So when I saw this move developing, it was too late, and I didn't want to chase it because my risk-reward ratio would have been 1-to-1. I didn't want that. So I decided to wait, and this was the key for today. When I said, okay, it's gonna bounce at the VWAP. It's either gonna bounce at the VWAP or it's gonna break the VWAP. So I'm just gonna wait for it to get to the VWAP. That's when it was trading here. So I'm just gonna wait for it to get to the VWAP. And two things are gonna happen. It's either gonna bounce back or it's gonna break it. If it breaks it, I'm gonna go long. If it bounces back, I'm gonna go short again. So I entered it on this candle short. I noticed that it got rejected once, twice, and I noticed this candle began had a lower low than this one. So to me, it was a good risk to reward ratio, thinking that I was going to sell here. So from here to here, and here to here is a better risk to reward ratio. Okay, so I would have been risking from here to here, and I would have been gaining from here to here. So that trade made sense to me. Not this one, because this one would have been like 1-to-1. Okay? And my stop loss would have been above the VWAP. And yeah, tested the VWAP again. I could have added to my position, but I didn't do it. And that's okay. I'm still learning. So I'm gonna make mistakes. But regardless, this was the big trade for today. I went down all the way down, and I covered some here. Then it went back up when I noticed that it was gonna be rejected again. Because I noticed that it was being rejected here by the 9, and they got rejected by the 9 again. How do I know it's the 9? Because there's a 9 there. I went short again here, and Excuse me. And that was pretty much it. I closed my position, and then that was it. After that, I thought of going long, so I went long. I wanted it to break this moving average, which it did. So it went long, and I took a smaller position, only 50 shares, and it went up. I decided to cover, and that was it. So my goal going long was to get to the VWAP, which it did. You can tell that it did. I was just not patient enough, you know. This is all consolidation, so I was not patient enough. I would have had another good trade there, but by then it was, this is already 11. My goal with this is to be done by 11. So overall, a good day. After that, this would have been another potential good short position because it bounced at the VWAP again. I mean, it's being rejected at the VWAP. We already noticed that it got rejected. So after here, this would have been another good entry on the short side. And then potential selling will be here on the VWAP. So I didn't take that trade, and that's okay. It's already late in the day, so I don't think that. Let's see. Stop sharing. Yeah, I don't think that should be taking that trade now anyways, because it's too late in the day. So I don't want to overtrade. I have to pay more commission. But anyway, guys, sorry for the bad midday recap. So this should get better, and hopefully I can provide some info on what mistakes I made and what I learned. But yeah, so the channel changed from being a swing trading channel to being more like a day trading channel. It's just the market, so we have to adjust. The markets change, and you have to adjust. So it's good to develop both skills. Once the market gets in a more trending type of market, we might be able to do more swing trading, hold the trade for the couple of days or so. But for now, day trading seems to be the way to go. So that being said, thank you guys for watching the videos, and God bless.